Hi guys, today we'll understand how the CAT RCs are made. 2019 paper I am picking up here, RC from CAT 2019. This video will tell you why your accuracy is low, why these new kind of RCs are coming, and why we are not scoring good marks. So I'll just copy the RC here. So once you open this thing, so they have taken this RC from internet. Yeah, there's the page. Prospect magazine. They have taken an article from the Prospect magazine. Yep, so just copy paste the RC. This is what they have done. So I am professor, will just copy paste the complete article from there. Okay. I don't know if they were copyright or not. I need to put an RTI on that, but they don't reply to RTIs. IAMs don't reply to RTIs. Yeah, these days. So I'll just copy paste the RC here on a Word document just to tell you, to show you how the CAT RCs are made. So this is the complete RC. So if I check up the word size, so this complete RC is 1800 words. Yeah, so 1800 word RC are taking. In fact, next week at CE Taking we are conducting these workshops. In case you want to join our program, in the description box I give the link. So I'm going to delete a few paragraphs. Okay, let's remove this first paragraph. Summary is gone. The first paragraph, the main paragraphs are gone. I'm removing a few paragraphs from starting. बीच में से कुछ निकाल दिया. Removing a few lines as well from the middle. Yeah, so that I am giving you headless chicken kind of thing. Yeah, whichever thing I don't like, I'm just removing that, or whichever thing are not required, also some important information also I'm removing. So after cutting out everything else, this is bingo, a 500 word RC, which is I'm going to give you in the CAT exam. Yeah, let's cut a few more things because it's 600 plus. Welcome. So bingo, welcome to CAT RC. Now if you give me a headless chicken, how can I perform here? How can I score more marks? So obviously the accuracy is going to be down only. Yeah, this is how I have checked this thing every year. Earlier they used to remove the top line only, the first paragraph, second paragraph. Now they're removing the middle parts as well. So if you go to the link cetaking.com/RC, cetaking.com/RC, I've given the live example of CAT 2019 RC here. So this is a complete article of 1880 words, which is cut short into a 550 words RC. So that's a complete 550 words RC without header, summary, or the information. And because of all these things, your accuracy will go down. Yeah, so we have to look at a different perspective to solve RCs. So at CE Taking, we're launching our workshops. Next week, I'm going to pick up this new kind of RCs which are coming in the CAT exam. Trust me, no exam does the same thing. Yeah, CAT is the only one which is going to give you a headless chicken. Yeah, so this is 2019 RC. I've checked this thing in all the RCs of 2019. 2018, earlier they used to just cut the top line, top paragraphs, so that the summary is gone. Yeah, so if you tell me to perform in this kind of RC, I'm sorry, it's very difficult for me. So in case you want to join the program, these are the links given here, or you can just contact the numbers given in the description box in case you want to join our program. Okay. Alright, so this is how your CAT RCs are made. So this is why it's very, very difficult to perform in the CAT RCs. Yeah. So they will pick up the RC from anywhere. It can be a magazine article, it can be a blog, it can be any article there. Earlier we used to based on American American articles. Now they can give you an English article as well. Now British English is different from American English. So we don't even know how to perform. And this is the one major issue which I am feeling in the CAT exam, that there is no scope. They not defined any scope for the exam. Alright. So if you like this video, please do comment. I'll make more videos about RC. So there's a new kind of RC, which is incomplete RC, which is coming in the exam. So we'll cover up this workshop next week. In case you want to join the program, in the description box I given the link. Alright, all the best.